Alright guys, Ethan just got the new Borla exhaust for the WRX. I believe it's a catback. We don't need the instructions. First thing we'll do is we'll jacket the car, take the cat, or the, not the cat, but the stock exhaust off, and then get working on the aftermarket one. And I got the car jacked up. We're just taking out the flange right behind the cat. Ethan's going at it, just taking the two bolts off. It's working its way out.
There's one. Next one.
Alright guys, Josh is here now. The problem we're having is that this bolt is literally like messed up. So we're just gonna like try to get it off the hangers.
Alright, there's another one back there.
Get this one off?
Yeah, I got that one. No. 4 of these suckers.
Yeah, because there's like two like right above the tips, and like there's more behind the muffler. There's one right there too.
Stupid thing. Oh, I accidentally took the whole thing off.
We can put it back on. It's fine.
Dude, going in. Give me some sugar and McLovin.
Shut up. This thing is probably gonna drop soon. So how cold is it, Josh? Like what? Like 30 degrees?
It's around there.
Bolts are messed up like these are because we literally can't even get this off. We just have to literally rip the exhaust off the hangers, and it'll be very tedious.
I don't want to get the camera.
You won't get the camera. Oh! You got the camera.
Come on, baby.
What? There's one more hanger.
Oh my gosh.
Just get underneath there.
I thought that was the last one.
Right here, you can like see it from where I am.
Hey guys, pretty much we didn't really do a before test, but it was literally just a quiet car. There's nothing special about a stock exhaust. It just literally sounds like
Just like a stock exhaust.
sounds like any like stock car, honestly.
Alright, Ethan, you ready?
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
Alright, there she is, guys. Ew. Look at all that restriction, all that piping. Just look at it. Look at just all the curving. Guys, it's from the cat and back, so there's nothing.
Oh, there's a cat still in it?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's just a catback exhaust, so it's just like.
Actually, it's not that bad. I'll just leave it like that. Why are we putting the exhaust on?
He's putting a muffler on. It's done its way more
Sounds
loud.
perfectly like that. What the heck are we putting the muffler on for?
because it's a 3-inch. Gonna stick that in.
Boys, brand new exhaust.
What the?
Molly wants to help. Go Molly, go help Ethan. Go. Go Molly, go.
Alright.
Did you do a car crash on it? You gotta make sure.
Alright guys. It's already dark.
You do that.
This car was kind of
Make sure there are no
this car was kind of a pain to get the exhaust in because it's actually from Canada. So it's pretty rusty.
A little rusted.
Start it.
Wow, 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 oh my god!
Yep.
Give her a rev. Oh, he's getting smoked. Oh, all those chemicals is being burned out.
It needs to be louder.
Yeah, louder.
I'm trying to die out here. I'm going to right, you know?
Well guys, we're about to go on a cruise. Go on some highway cruises. We'll hit up 222. Oh yeah, it's cold. Floor.